Welcome back to Digits. We're taking a look at the Dow Jones Industrial Average. You can see down 157 points here at about midday. And the tech stocks actually taking a bath as well. A lot of them across the board are in the red. But Facebook looking a little bit higher. We're going to go to Ben Pimental out in San Francisco for the latest. And Ben, thanks for joining us.
Yes, thank you. Well, actually, the market has changed for Facebook. It was that turned red about half an hour ago, and it was actually about 20 cents away from the $28 level, which was the low end of its earlier range. Overall, the market is down for tech. RIM is the one that's leading, the sort of highlighting the retreat. It's down about 8% the last time I checked, and mainly because of yesterday's grim outlook from the CEO. And
the company saying that they're going to have to take some cuts. They do have a new phone coming out later in the year, which they're pinning a lot of optimism to. But so far, they've got some rough roads ahead of them.
That's true. I mean, yesterday the CEO said that they were going to be facing some challenging, that's a quote, financial performance in the next few quarters. They did also announce that they are hiring JP Morgan and RBC Capital to review their strategies, which of course has triggered speculation that they may be putting the company up for sale. Other analysts disagree, but still it looks like it's going to be, the company's going to be facing some rough quarters ahead.
And you know, when you mentioned Facebook before, it was a little volatile today, up at one point, now coming back down again, almost $10 off the initial IPO price of $38. Right. What are people saying about this today?
It's still, still the same thing. I mean, because there's still a lot of volatility in the stock, given the questions about the IPO, questions about the valuation. There's been reports again about Facebook going into the phone business, or even buying a browser company. There's a lot of questions on what it sees ahead in terms of its revenue.
And what else are we looking at today in terms of other stocks that I know Cisco Systems and Advanced Micro Devices also lower on the session?
Yes, I think most of that is really just because of the downward trend in the market overall. But clearly RIM and Salesforce and Facebook are sort of highlighting some of these declines.